Hello traders, hope you are all doing great. So after very long time, I've been saying for a long time, in fact, a 10 trading session or 12 trading session or 2 weeks, I've been saying market will come down, and people used to troll me, abuse me. Let me say you, touch wood, if you are happy, if you have made money, or if you have controlled your losses, or if you have shorted the market, I'm really happy for you. We don't have to worry about these people who abuse me and troll me. I know how to manage them, right? But let me say you, this was very expected. I knew that this market is not going to keep on going on the higher side. Now people used to say, when I used to say them market is going to come down, people used to say every indicator is showing high, every open interest is showing high, every all kind of thing is showing bullishness, right? But I told you it is likely to go on the higher side. Anyway, we'll forget about that. And as I told you, if you had made money, I'm really happy for you, right? Now what is going to happen next? That is the prime concern here, right? Now we know that market has come in fact, if you compare both Nifty and Bank Nifty, it was Bank Nifty. If you see the Bank Nifty chart, it was not even like Bank Nifty was, when you compare with, as I told you, when you compare it with Nifty was down by from 17,800, almost low was around 17,500. So 300 points drop in Nifty. And Bank Nifty was holding. High was around 41,100. This is not Bank Nifty. This is US futures. We'll talk about that later. So Bank Nifty high was around 41,145 and low was around 40,550 levels or 20 levels. Now it's just a 500 or maybe 600 or 650 points drop in Bank Nifty. But Nifty was firmly in the red. that is because of IT index. So IT index, among all the indices, IT index was down. It was down by 3.71%. The main reason, you know, that why this Nifty was falling was because of IT index. It was dragging the market like anything. And the reason why Bank Nifty was holding was because of, I think, IndusInd Bank and Federal Bank was holding this Nifty for Bank Nifty for some time. In fact, today morning at one point of the time, IndusInd Bank was up by 4% or more than 4%. Then eventually it also gave up and it started coming down. Okay, now what is going to be the next thing? Is the market going to consolidate, or is it going to crash, or is it going to move sideways? It depends. Now that is a hypothetical question, right? Now what we can say is, or what we can expect is that maybe till next Wednesday there is a very important event on next Wednesday, which I'll explain in a few minutes. Till then we will be consolidating. Market may move higher and lower till that event comes up. So what is the event? So if you know that US, we follow US market, then our own market, there is a page in our website. So I'll give the link in the description below, or you can search, or you can Google optionsense.com. In that, if you go to event, there is NSE holidays, where all the holidays, NSE holidays, are mentioned here. So October, next series, we have three holidays in October. That is Wednesday, Monday and Wednesday, all on trading days. So lots of holiday in October series. And if you see this one, global events, in the events, if you see global events, all important global events, country-wise global events are listed here, and you can refer this for your trading decision, or if you want, you can use it, right? Now, 21st of September 2020, that is next Wednesday, we are at 16, we are at Friday, that is next Wednesday, that which is 21st of September 2020. Federal rate decision is very important. Okay, now this is going to be the very important day for our market. So I think I didn't change this screen. So if you go to optionsense.com on global economic calendar, if you click here, you will see list of upcoming very important global events. upcoming global important events. So 21st of Wednesday, interest rate hike. If you click here, you will see what is happening. Now, US Federal Reserve has already increased the interest rate. Till now, it has increased by 2.5%. That is, whenever they come out, they increase the interest rate by 50 basis point or 75 basis point. And what people are thinking now is that this time also they are going to increase the interest rate. Now, if they increase the interest rate by 50 basis points or 75 basis points, that will be factored into, that will be taken as a positive sign, or that will be digested by the market. If at all, if the Federal Reserve is increasing the interest rate by 100 basis point or flat 1%, that is going to be a very, very bad news in the market. Why I will tell you, because there is a theory, or there is I read somewhere in I think Business Insider. If there are group of people who say that, or economists who say that, if the Federal Reserve keeps on increasing the interest rate like this, there is a possibility that US economy will end up in recession. So that could be one reason Federal Reserve may not increase the interest rate by 100 basis point or 1%. In case they increase the interest rate by 100 basis point or 1%, it is going to be 3.5%. What will happen is loans are going to be expensive, from mortgage loan to capital loans to overdraft to car loans to home loans, bike loans, even in India. I'm saying not India. Of course, if loans has to be expensive in India, Shakti Kandadas have to come out and increase the interest rate. I'm talking about the US. So loans are going to be very, very expensive. And that is why people are afraid about this interest rate hike. They see this as a very, very important event. And otherwise also, maybe what is going to happen on Monday is that, as I talk to you, US futures are deeply in the red. In fact, Dow Jones is down by almost 1%. S&P, Nasdaq is down by more than 1%. And if you see Europe is deeply in the red. Germany is down by more than 1.5%. France is down by more than 1%. And FTSE is down by it's not down, it's flat, I think. Yeah, FTSE is almost flat. So UK doesn't care about losing the queen and all. It's really a mature market, right? And our friends FIIs, both FIIs and DIIs have sold for around 3,260 crores, and DIIs have sold for around 36 crores. So both FIIs and DIIs have turned net sellers, right? And looking at the open interest also, I think aggressive call is being written even on 17,800 call option. Let me show you. So this is the open interest of Nifty. If you see here, today alone around 6.5 million, that is 65 lakh contracts are sold at, or still pending at 17,800. So 17,800 call option is written aggressively, and in fact 18,000 is having the highest call option. 1 crore 10 lakhs of call option still outstanding in 18,000 call. And when it comes to Nifty, Bank Nifty, it is, I think, let me show you. Yeah, today 41,000 call is written aggressively, and among call option 41,500, 42,000 and 41,000 is also having call options written, aggressive call options written. So everywhere it is call option, people are writing call option. And one more last but not least, when it comes to our P&L, we are sitting in excellent loss. In fact, this month alone till now we have made around 5%, till there are maybe I think 10 or 12 trading session. So 5-week series, this September series is 5-week expiries. 5 expiries we are having. Let us see how things pan out. So now also it is not an issue. Go and short the market. 18,000 is not going to happen. Even if 18,000, it touches 18,000, India VIX will drop. And when it comes to India VIX is up by more than 4.5%. I think it's almost around 20, right? So now also you can go and sell call options 18,000, 18,100 or 18,300 or 18,500. You are going to make excellent money. So this is what I've been telling for a very long time. Now also you can go and do that. And I hope I have summarized everything. Thank you for watching. See you in another video tomorrow. Take care. Bye.